tissue stuff with fish and 2 carrots. This, you just eating fish. I noticed.
Get her shoes. Hi everyone. I am here with my sister. She's on Thanksgiving break, so she's been over playing with Aria. Aria loves it. We're just gonna do a couple of things, so I thought we wanted to make a little vlog. We're getting ready to go out. I'm just working on a little craft project. It's been a long time since I did any crafts, so I'm working on a little Hanukkah craft project. And here's Emma. Emma's making a smoothie for us. What'd you put in the smoothie?
You got some mango drink, strawberries, bananas, and blueberries.
Wow, that looks delicious. Delicious. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test. See how good of a smoothie maker she is.
Too much for you?
Whoa. Oh. It's good. It's just very strong. She used a lot of concentrate. I'm gonna go add more yogurt. Finally made it out of the house. And Emma carried Aria all the way to the car. Need help?
No. I think I slid you.
Here, I'll buckle her. You can hold this.
Yeah.
You ready to go play? Boop. Ba-doop. 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 Here we are. We made it. I just buckled the little rascal. Auntie pushing Aria. First stop is Joanns. Then the pet store's over there. We're deciding to walk over there. That's why I pulled out the stroller. But there's Joanns. There's Homegoods too. Aria. Aria, what did you do? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, to be honest, I did see that like she made one fall, but I was like still looking, so I'm like, okay, it's not that big a deal. But then I didn't realize she made like 5 colors full. Aria, what do you have to say for yourself?
You're lucky you ain't the one putting this away.
Thanks, Emma. This is what I picked up. And also some thread and glue. Alright, Joanns is successful. Now we're walking to the next door. Walking or running, whatever. I don't really need anything at HomeGoods, but I'm gonna see what HomeGoods tells us we need. All Christmas and Hanukkah. Here's the Hanukkah stuff. That's it. Anything I'm gonna get, because these are nice, but I'm not buying more plates. These are kind of cute.
This is nice, but
I don't like it. Plus it's $40.
Oh.
They have mezuzah holders, which is pretty, but I know Dan would be like, no. They have this. It's kind of cute. Shabbat Shalom. We have enough of those. The only thing that's kind of cute is this table runner. This store is kind of overwhelming. Emma wants to buy that that little bench. And this table's kind of cool, isn't that?
oh yeah.
And I think this one's nice. But I'm obviously not going to be buying that right now, especially without Dan. This is actually a really cool table. Not that I need it. I do need a mirror, actually.
Yeah.
I'm not the only one who looks exhausted. Look at Aria. Aria, you tired?
What time is it? Did they have a class?
These chairs are really nice. We did very good. We made it out of HomeGoods with buying 0 items.
Sadly.
And Aria's about to curve. She's like, I'm over this. I'm over this, guys. Look at her. She's so precious. I love you. Okay, next up is the pet store, like I said.
Ooh, I see it.
It's PetSmart.
I've been searching for you, love me now.
This is so cute.
Oh, I found It's from the gecko. It's in the cave.
And these are cute. Emma said that this is like me and Aria.
Oh, there's a tortoise down here.
Oh, little turtle. Let's go.
The tarantula.
I'm not looking in there.
Can you pick me up?
Oh my god, Aria.
I noticed.
Get her shoes. Get her shoes. Aria, you have something to say for yourself? You can just put it in the bottom of the stroller. Okay, guys, we went to the pet store. We also didn't buy anything. We also didn't buy anything though.
Saving money.
Yeah, we're saving money and we are true savers.
Yeah, save.
Are you a saver? Okay, she's a spender if it's other people's money. But she's a saver if it's her money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if someone gives me money, I'm like, I want to save this.
Anyways, so now that we did our little adventure out of the house, we are gonna go home and cook dinner. Do you know what the menu is?
Fish and
Straight that way. Straight. Yeah. What's for dinner?
fish and bread.
No.
Oh.
Almost.
So I know we have fish, tomatoes, salad.
I want salad, but we don't have any lettuce. We're gonna make salmon and pasta, fresh pasta.
I knew that.
But I just realized the salmon's still in the freezer and I forgot to take it out. Anyways, see you at home when we cook. Bye. It's already dark outside. It's only like 5 o'clock. Huh? It's making Mama sleepy. Making Mama sleepy. Anyways, I'm getting ready to cook dinner, and Emma may or may not help me.
Probably
She's gonna help me, but it might, be the opposite of help. So, anyways, I'm gonna make some fresh pasta. Okay, well, Aria wants to talk. Aria, what do you want to say? What do you have to say for yourself? You want a snack? Here, I'll give you a snack. I have some peas just for Aria. You want to see your snack? She actually just ate some beef. Okay, I did step 1. I am making this salmon. It's just a simple recipe. I put like some oil, salt, pepper, and lemon. And then I'm going to do the pasta. It's supposed to be really simple, but the salmon my grandma gave me, it's kind of going to be difficult because it has skin and bone. But I'm going to cook it and then like kind of take it apart after it cooks. And Aria's here. She's my little shoe chef. What are you doing? What are you doing? I just made this salad. It's a simple salad. And here's my pasta. It just overspilled. I think I cooked way more than I was expecting that to become, but it's okay because then we'll have leftovers. And here's the beautiful salmon. I just need to debone it now and deskin it, and then I'm gonna like toss it in. So, yep. Yeah, that's good. Emma's being my little sous chef. She's doing the most important thing too, adding beautiful, beautiful Parmesan cheese.
While Aria's chilling, cooking, and while Pearl's cooking, Aria is being her own little shoe chef with something in her hair. You're missing one.
Dinner is ready. Emma helped me set up the table. The pasta is the pasta busting? It's busting. She almost didn't even want to try it, but she tried it and she's like, that's good. We're just waiting for Daddy to eat, and if you can tell, I'm very exhausted. I feel so tired, even though we didn't do that much today. So our plan is, Emma, what's our plan?
Make dinner, watch Harry Potter.
Make dinner.
Eat dinner, watch Harry Potter, and then I go to bed.
And I go to bed too.
And Aria.
And Aria. Aria, you gonna watch Harry Potter with us? This is kind of a Harry Potter color, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Isn't Gryffindor like yellow and red?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's Gryffindor.
But I'm green, so isn't that like
Slytherin? Yeah. Oh, Daddy's home. Let's see.
Hi, beautiful girls.
Our hero.
Hey, fishy.
Look, take Aria. She's so up to you.
Yeah, hier van mijn kopen.
My sugar, don't go ahead and fool you, you're my diva. I go pay the dues, no go let another man make a move. Choose me without the dues, I'm telling you the truth, and you know it's true. Ooh, I go follow you, stay with you, let me move. Cannot disagree, not with you, but I like you. Can you show me that formula? Late night drive with V8 engine on the road, can you make time for me?
Aria really likes today's dinner. She's actually like getting it on her mouth. Right, baby? Oh, never mind. I jinxed it.
I've been searching for you, love me now.
Alright, then this is done.
I've been running to you, my reading now. Baby girl, you're so sweet, you're my sugar. Don't go ahead and fool you.
Aria's done with dinner. She's literally just walking away. Walking to go play. Big girl.
Bueno, cierto. En calor.
You love your panda?
No, deja para topanes. כן, אבל מה זה חוסר יעילות?
Good morning. I just came to get the bug. I just got Aria all dressed for the day. Aria! It's funny because Emma put this on her and she usually hates when I do this, but because Emma did it, she like wanted it. I took it off and she wanted it back on. It's so silly. Anyways,
She's ready.
we just woke up. Emma's gonna play with Aria, which will be nice. And I'm gonna go tidy. She has mastered the ball drop because I always have that out, but since Emma's here, we're gonna see if she can kind of figure out how to do the fishing or the carrots or something.
Yeah, she said fishies.
Is there the fish?
I'm pretty sure it was a pill. Oh, yeah. I knew that. Okay, Aria caught a fish. Aria, look. You go, grab the fish and you eat it. Grab another fish. And you grab the best for last. Now you try.
I've been searching for you, you love me now. Baby girl, you're so sweet, you're my sugar. Don't go ahead and fool
Okay, we're missing a carrot. Just grab a carrot.
I go pay the dues, no go let another man make a move. Choose me without a dude, I'm telling you the truth, and you know it's true. Ooh, I go follow you, stay with you, let me move. Cannot disagree, not with you, but I like you.
Plop it in there.
Now you show me that
Let's
for me.
practice your walking.
Late night drive with V8 engine.
You should find more to print.
Time for me now, girl, I'm coming now.
This is the current situation. Aria's here. Aria, hi. Aria's gonna help me. This is all the crafts, all the dishes. I'm gonna get it all done. And here's Emma.
Well, there is two actually. There's one next door, and if you combine them, it's 100 million combined.
I'm just emptying the dishwasher, and Aria went to her favorite spot in the house. She came from her room and she saw it was open, so. You having fun? This is her favorite spot, even though you're getting too heavy to sit on there. while I empty the dishes. Get a plate. Thank you. Give me another plate. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Mommy's little helper. High five. High five. Aria, high five. Good.
Bear. This is a bear. A panda. Just like your little friend. Okay. A baby bear is called a cub. You know what? Let's read about fish. Aria, ready to read about fish? Fish. This is a fish. Fish come in many colors and sizes. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready for round? Another round? Okay. And then go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do, 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 do.